No, me and not the man, them way you used to fuck a time. Then use your tongue to Uber just to drive you up the wall. Then sweet you for maneuver you with enough trips to the mall. Then burn you like you lose, my girl, you never born for song. What I preach. So Jesus, take the
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie and I hope you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'll be doing this beautiful boho afro passion twist. I'll be using this hair. That's the Darling Natural Afro twist. That's the 20 inches and I'll be using 3 packs. Each pack comes in 20 individual strands. I really love this hair because it's really springy and it looks more like a natural 4B4C hair. Hence, it's so perfect for this hairstyle. So I'll go ahead and separate it because mostly it comes with the ends tangled up. Now moving on to sectioning my hair, I'll be using these 2 combs. First, I'll divide my hair into 2. So I'll make a path from ear to ear. So I'm not going to prep part, but if you're a beginner, I'll advise you prep part. First, it saves time, and secondly, it helps your sections look closely equal as possible. Also, to help you get clean parts at the back of your head, I'll suggest you get a 3-way mirror. Especially for beginners, it shows you your whole hair, so it's easier that way. You can easily make your parts at the back of your head and adjust them to be straight and clean.
look, what a girl so sweet, no make no waste, man, your body neat. One day, my one day, if you're real, cause girls like you are to believe. So long,
So I will show you 2 ways to start your twist. I'll do one now and one later in the video when we get to the front section. The first method is basically starting with a knotless braid and then twisting the hair later. So I'll start off by dividing my hair into 3. And before adding in the extensions, I braid up my hair a bit. Also, I do 2 feed-ins before twisting. So that's how I'll be starting for the rest of the hair. That's the knotless method. I really like this because it's easier. Also, it secures it better. But if you're an unbraider, can't feed in or can't grip, then you go with the other method, which is the crochet method. I'll be showing you very soon.
show you where unholy, yeah. Come in, I'ma show you where unholy, yeah. No, me and not the man that we used to fuck.
So I start with 3 strand braids, but before I twist, I either add 2 strands to become 1 or divide the middle strand to add to the other 2. So I think the final length on this was between 30 to 35 inches. I do a final fitting when I get to the end to achieve a much longer length.
Body neat. One day, my one day, if you're real, cause girls like you are to believe. So long,
Now I'm done with the first row and that's how it's looking. I'll go ahead and finish up the back section and I'll be back when we get to the front section.
one day, my one day, if you're real, cause girls like you are to believe. Girls like you are to believe. Oh. And all your tendencies of playing hard to get me again. No, me and not the man, them way you used to fuck a time. Then use your tongue to Uber just to drive you up the wall. Then sweet you for maneuver you with enough trips to the mall. Then burn you like you lose, my girl, you never born for song. What I preach. So Jesus, take the lead. Look, what a girl so sweet, no make no waste, man, your body neat. One day, my one day, if you're real, cause girls like you are to believe. So long, I make my preach. So Jesus, take the lead. Look, what a girl so sweet, no make no waste, man, your body neat. One day, my one day, if you're real, cause girls like you are to believe.
So I'm done with the back section and this side it's looking. I take 6 rows for that. The size of these twists are like small, medium. Now moving on to the front section. First I'll divide it into 2 and do 4 rows of twist on each side. Here I'll be showing you side by side the different ways to start your twist. I'll be doing the crochet method and the knotless method. So we'll compare and also let me know which one you think is the easiest and fastest to do.
Come in, I'ma show you where unholy, yeah.
So I'm going to start with the knotless method. As I said earlier, I'll first divide my hair into 3 and braid it up a bit, then do 2 feed-ins before moving on to twist the hair.
So sweet, no make no waste, man, take shit. Body neat. One day, I wonder if you're real. Cause girls like you are to believe. So don't make me preach. So Jesus, take the lead. Look what I got, so sweet, no make no waste, man, take shit. Body neat. One day, I wonder if you're real. Cause girls like you are to believe.
Now moving on to the second method, which is the crochet method. I'll take out the rubber band and then tie up that section of hair. Make sure it's tight and secured. So the next thing to do is to crochet the hair in. So I'll pass my crochet pin under the rubber band or the knot. So with the crochet, we are not creating any loop to make a knot. We'll be pulling one side of the hair all the way through. Next is to separate my natural hair into 2 and add it to each side of the added hair, and then we'll move on to twist. This method is really easy and very fast, so if you're an unbraider, a beginner, or can't fit in, then I'll recommend you use this method instead. That's a side-by-side comparison, and I don't think there is much of a difference. I think whichever method you use or begin with, at the end of the day, we all arrive at the same twist. So find whichever works for you and then stick with it. I'll move on to finish the rest of the hair, and I'll be back to show you how to make it bohemian.
Just so I can skin your teeth. For you real, your pretty pussy so petite. When I saw you, the makeup's on a good fuck with a kid. Your eye point it slowly, like say you know me. Won't feel your glory and show you way and slowly.
So I'm finally done with the twist, and that's how it's looking. The next thing I'm going to do is to add in some curls, because this is the boho twist. So I'll be using this Yankee twist crochet hair because the curls on this really last for long and the curls are really defined. So I'll go ahead and unravel it and then crochet it in. Once I'm done unraveling the Yankee twist hair, I'll just go ahead and create a loop and crochet it in my twist. Also, I'll be creating the loop to make a knot for extra security, but if you don't want any knots, you can just pull one side all the way through and that will be also fine. We're doing this on all of the twists. I'm not leaving anyone out. This part right here is optional. I'll go ahead and add in some hair jewelries. These are golden hair cuffs. I'll leave links in the description. And that's it for this hairstyle. It really came out looking cute. It's springy, it's bouncy, and it's flowy. Also, I didn't do anything to the ends. I left it just like that. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. So the final length on this was between 30 to 35 inches. That's like butt length. I have another video on my channel where I did like knee length. You can go check it out. So if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop it in the comment section and I'll gladly answer them. Jesus, take the lead. Look what I got, so sweet. Don't make no yes, man, take shit. Body neat. One day, I wonder if you're real. Cause girls like you are to believe. Yeah, girl, can make me sweet, you like my teeth. Fuck you, make you rich, and just so I can skin your teeth. For you real, your pretty pussy so pretty.